Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now, it is a gloomy, rainy, awful day here in Central PA and Mechanicsburg, PA. It's Veterans Day, so big thank you to everyone who has served, who is watching this video. I appreciate you. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap out this stock Bronco logo for this black script Bronco. Now, this is what the black script Bronco looks like, and I think it's gonna look so much better compared to the chrome one right there. I think this is a perfect, like one of the first mods that you can do to your Bronco. Now, I actually got this for free from Ford. Now, for purchasing the Bronco from Ford, you get these Ford Pass points. I think it's something like $42,000 points, which sort of equates to about $200. So you could use that for service or parts. So I picked this bad boy up for my birthday, which was a couple weeks ago, and it was like 35 bucks. So I still have plenty of money left over for free from Ford to get things like my oil changes done. I got Penny here as my assistant, so let's put this black badge on. Here we go. All right, now, step one is gonna be to get the area completely clean and dry. All right, now that I have everything perfectly clean right here, I'm gonna put some tape on the edges of the Bronco so I know exactly where the new one goes. This will also give me a little bit of area to like put the tool underneath at these certain areas just so I don't mess up the paint. I'm not putting the paint on super tight, I'm just getting a little idea where the new emblem needs to go. So put the back leg right there, the bottom leg, the head, the tail. I think we're good. Now I'm gonna use 3 different tools to get this bad boy off. I'm gonna use a hair dryer just to sort of heat the area up a little bit, just to get the adhesive a little bit looser, just so it can come off. I'm gonna use some dental floss to put over and around it just to get it a little loose. I might use a little flathead screwdriver here just to sort of get where the tape is, just to pry it off the last little bit. So here we go. Now I'm going to use some Goo Gone to get the rest of this off. This is the adhesive part to the silver Bronco. Definitely going to keep this thing, but that part is off. So now we're going to use Goo Gone to get the rest of that off. Then we can put the new one on. Now I kind of stopped at this point because this outprint of the adhesive that is from the silver logo is in such the perfect spot that the back of this logo is just adhesive right there. You can just sort of see it that you put it on the bare paint, but I'm thinking I might just put this black one right on top of this, because this is still pretty sticky. It's not that, it doesn't stick out that far, so I might just put the black one right over top of this one and call it a day. We're gonna see how it looks for fitment. So I don't think it's gonna stick out too much, so I might just take the black one and just put it right over top of this. It's a perfect template because that is obviously the exact same thing that the silver logo was, but I'm gonna take the paper off, I'm gonna stick it right on. So, that's it. It's pretty easy. I think the only thing is right by the tail here, the adhesive is just a little bit off. I'll show you. All right, so there's Penny. Penny, can you say hi? Anyway, here's a look at the Black Horse. I'm definitely gonna clean it just to get the smudges off it, but I think the imprint of this thing is pretty good. It pretty perfectly matches up with everything, except for the tail. There's a little bit of adhesive from the previous Bronco emblem right there. I might just take a knife just to sort of cut that out, but that is what the thing looks like. So let's clean it up and get the tape off, and we'll show you the final product. Man, it is absolutely pouring here in Mechanicsburg. I got Penny going over my work. This is on my workstation. Anyway, this is the black logo right there. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Has a nice little gloss to it. I've been thinking about doing this since I got the Bronco, just haven't had the time to put it in, but here we are. So I might go put it out in the rain just to see what it looks like in the natural light, but this is looking pretty good. So this is gonna wrap up. This is a quick little informational video about the black Bronco logo. If you are a owner of a Ford Bronco, you got some free points, some free money, $200 from Ford. So go get this thing, put that bad boy on there, right there. Once again, it is Veterans Day, so big thank you to everybody who has served for this country, as freedom is not free. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Hope it's not as rainy and gross here. Oh, there goes Penny, the exploring. Hope it's not as rainy and gross where you are. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.